Most people chase money and end up building a job they hate, but the smartest people, they build a lifestyle business, one that gives them freedom, time, and steady income. It's a complete paradigm shift, moving the focus from endless hustle to intentional design. Instead of letting a business dictate your life, you design a business that serves the life you've always dreamed of. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about getting free for the long term. The real currency isn't just dollars in the bank. It's hours in your day, control over your schedule, and the ability to live life on your own terms. We've been sold a myth that success means sacrifice and burnout. But the truth is, true success is about sustainability, fulfillment, and personal liberty. The goal isn't just to make a living, it's to craft a life. Start with the life you want. Before you even think about a product, a service, or a brand name, you need to define your ideal lifestyle with absolute clarity. This is the foundational step that most aspiring entrepreneurs skip, and it's why so many end up trapped in a business they resent. Ask yourself the hard questions and be brutally honest with your answers. How many hours a week do you actually want to work? Is it a focused 20-hour week, or a flexible 40-hour schedule that you control? Where do you want to live? Do you dream of working from a bustling city cafe, a quiet cabin in the mountains, or while traveling the world? How much income do you genuinely need to live comfortably and achieve your personal goals, not some arbitrary 7-figure target you saw on social media? Finally, what does freedom mean to you? Is it the freedom to take every Friday off? The freedom to travel for a month without your business collapsing? Or the freedom to dedicate your afternoons to a hobby or your family? This detailed blueprint of your ideal life becomes the non-negotiable framework around which you will build your business. Every decision, from your business model to your marketing strategy, will be filtered through this lens, ensuring you're always moving toward your definition of freedom, not away from it. With your ideal lifestyle defined, you must choose a business model that aligns with it, focusing on scalability and leverage. The old model of trading time for money is the enemy of a lifestyle business. Instead, you need to find ways to create value once and sell it over and over again. This is where scalable business models become your greatest asset. Consider selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, or premium templates. You invest the time and effort upfront to create a high-quality product, and it can then be sold an infinite number of times with minimal ongoing effort. Another powerful option is launching a small software-as-a-service (SaaS) product. If you can solve a specific, recurring problem for a niche audience with software, you can build a source of predictable, recurring revenue. Memberships and subscription communities are also fantastic models. By offering exclusive content, access to a community, or ongoing support, you create a stable income stream that is not dependent on one-time launches. The key characteristic of all these models is that they decouple your income from the hours you actively work, allowing you to earn money even when you are not at your desk. This is the mechanical heart of a lifestyle business, enabling you to build wealth without sacrificing your time. To truly achieve freedom, your business must be able to operate without your constant hands-on involvement. This is where building robust systems and embracing automation becomes critical. A system is simply a documented, repeatable process for handling any recurring task in your business, from onboarding new customers to publishing content. Think of it as creating a detailed instruction manual for your entire operation. When you have a clear system for everything, you eliminate guesswork, reduce errors, and make your business more efficient and resilient. Start by identifying all the repetitive tasks you do each week. Then, document each step required to complete them. The next step is to automate as much as possible. Use software tools to handle tasks like email marketing sequences, social media scheduling, customer support follow-ups, and payment processing. Every task you can automate is a piece of your time you reclaim forever. For a lifestyle entrepreneur, systems and automation are not just about efficiency. They are the very architecture of your freedom. They are what allows your business to function and grow, generating income and serving customers while you are sleeping, traveling, or simply enjoying your life. Your goal should be to build a business that is a well-oiled machine, not a vehicle that requires you to constantly be in the driver's seat. As you build your systems, you'll quickly realize that you can't, and shouldn't, do everything yourself. This is where strategic outsourcing becomes a superpower for the lifestyle entrepreneur. Many people resist outsourcing because they believe it is too expensive or that no one can do the job as well as they can. This is a limiting belief that keeps you trapped in the role of an overworked employee, not a business owner. The key is to start small and focus on outsourcing low-value, repetitive tasks that consume your time and energy but don't require your unique genius. Think about tasks like data entry, social media management, basic video editing, customer service, emails, or bookkeeping. You can hire virtual assistants, freelancers, or specialized agencies to handle these functions for a fraction of what your own time is worth. The time you free up by outsourcing should be reinvested into high-value activities that only you can do, such as creating new products, building strategic partnerships, or engaging with your audience. Outsourcing is not an expense. It's an investment in your own time and sanity. It allows you to focus on being the visionary for your business, steering the ship instead of rowing the oars. This strategic delegation is a crucial step in transforming your business from a demanding job into a self-sustaining asset. And most importantly, build an audience. When people trust you, sales become effortless. This is perhaps the most valuable and enduring asset you can create for your lifestyle business. Instead of constantly chasing new customers with paid ads and aggressive sales tactics, focus on building a loyal community of people who know, like, and trust you. You achieve this by consistently providing genuine value, sharing your expertise, and engaging in authentic conversations. Choose a platform where your ideal customers hang out, whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or a social media account, and commit to showing up there regularly. Share your knowledge freely, answer questions, and tell stories that resonate with your audience's struggles and aspirations. The goal is not just to attract followers, but to build real relationships. When you have an engaged audience that sees you as a trusted guide, the entire dynamic of selling changes. You no longer have to push your products. Your audience will pull them from you. They will be eager to buy because they already believe in the value you provide. This approach makes sales feel natural and organic, not sleazy or forced. An audience is a powerful moat around your business, providing stability, feedback, and a direct line to the people you serve. It is the ultimate long-term strategy for making your lifestyle business both profitable and fulfilling. The ultimate aim of this entire journey is to achieve a consistent, sustainable income, not just a fleeting cash grab. The get-rich-quick mentality often leads to burnout, unethical shortcuts, and a business built on a shaky foundation. A lifestyle business, in contrast, is built for the long haul. It prioritizes stability and predictability over explosive, unpredictable growth. This means focusing on revenue streams that are recurring and reliable, like subscriptions or repeat purchases from a loyal customer base. It means pricing your products and services in a way that is fair to both you and your customers, ensuring long-term viability. A sustainable income allows you to plan your life with confidence, knowing that your financial needs are met without requiring you to be in a constant state of launch mode anxiety. It's about creating a financial engine that runs smoothly in the background, providing the fuel for your ideal lifestyle. This steady flow of income is what truly buys you freedom, as it removes the financial pressure that forces so many entrepreneurs to make decisions that compromise their well-being and their values. True wealth isn't about having a massive bank account. It's about having consistent cash flow that supports a life of freedom. Focus on freedom and flexibility as the ultimate goal of your business. It's easy to get lost in the metrics of revenue, profit margins, and follower counts, but a true lifestyle business is measured by a different set of KPIs. Your personal freedom, your level of happiness, and your control over your time. Every decision you make should be weighed against this ultimate goal. Will this new project give you more freedom or less? Will this commitment increase your flexibility or tie you down? The purpose of building a business in this way is not to accumulate the most money, but to design a life with the most autonomy. It's about having the ability to work when you are most productive and rest when you need to recharge. It's about having the option to travel spontaneously, to be present for your family, and to pursue passions outside of your work. This is the new definition of success. It's a quiet, personal victory, not a loud public display of wealth. It's the deep satisfaction that comes from knowing you have intentionally crafted a business that serves your life, not the other way around. This is the core principle of a lifestyle business, and it is the most rewarding entrepreneurial path you can choose.